Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're looking at the protective housing for the GoPro Hero 8. So if you're searching online for it, trying to figure out if you're going to buy this one or buy a cheap knockoff on Amazon, this is your right spot. Stand by. Alright guys, this product serves two main purposes. One, to protect your GoPro when you're either mountain biking, doing like adventure sports, or has a good chance of getting knocked around. And number two, scuba diving. So I picked this one up through GoPro.com after I joined the GoPro Plus, and we'll talk about that on a different video. So I picked it up for half off, and that's probably why I bought it mainly. Otherwise, I probably would have bought a knockoff off of Amazon. I've done that before for other products, knowing that the GoPro stuff is better quality, and now they're offering a lifetime warranty on all their products, so we'll see how that goes. This allows you to take the GoPro down to 196 feet or 60 meters if you go diving, and that's for most divers. It's looking to use a GoPro, that's plenty deep enough, because you get deeper than that, then it gets very, very dark and you need extra lights and everything. So 60 meters is deep enough. So let's get into the unboxing. Now the best way to unbox GoPro stuff is not through the top where they attach it. This is all glued down, and if you do, you just destroy your box. So if you're like me that sell things later on, after you use them for a while, you go to eBay. I don't want to damage the box too much for better resale value. So just take a knife and cut the rear tape right here, and then pull your product out. So we'll slide this out. This is your lifetime warranty card, saying your product is covered by a GoPro for any defects in materials and workmanship. And I'm not going to read this entire thing to you, but basically it means you got a good chance of getting a replacement if it breaks or cracks or something. Comes with another screw to add to your collection, and the mount. You have a little housing information card manual. This is a good little device here, which when you get lazy, you don't use it. If you mount to something, like I had one mount to a jet ski with the clamp, and I hit a nice wave, and I looked back and the GoPro was gone. It snapped right off. So I wish I would have taken the time and tethering and about cleaning the device. So it's important to clean, especially if you go scuba diving. You should know this. If you're dealing with salt water or you go snorkeling, clean it with either some type of baby shampoo or at least clean water to get that salt water off. Because I don't care what it is, salt water will kill about anything after a while. All right, let's slide the product out itself. There we go, the back one right there. And here is the skeleton back. And this is obviously for if you're gonna be using it for anything that's not going scuba diving, I would use this door. It definitely improves your audio, and then you can touch the back screen and get to what you need to get to. If you're looking at Amazon, you're not going to find too many that give you both options. You're going to get pretty much just the diver door. And if that's what you want because you're going scuba diving and that's it, go for it. I just always be a little bit wary about when you're at 80 and 90 feet below the surface, and you're like, how good is my $15 case right now? So this one has a protective thing so you don't actually hit this on accident. So if you're under the water and you're moving your GoPro around, you hit it on something, the doors will pop open. So we have to slide it first and then pop. Nice good seal on the back. We'll take the GoPro here and we just slide her in. Voila. Like I mentioned before, these new GoPros, that front screen is not replaceable. Gives it a better seal for the GoPro, but now you got to worry about protecting it. So this is one of the options you can go for to protect it. All right, let's talk about the functions of buttons you have access to. with the diver door on. You have the top button up here, which is your record button on and off. Has a pretty good feel to it. I'll hit it right now. And you have one other button, a side button on the side here. You can see that. So one thing you need to be wary of when you go scuba diving, you need to set all your presets up ahead of time. So your underwater settings you want to have for your photos, your video, and your time lapse. Because obviously you can't get in here and change the screen when you have the case on. All you can do is toggle between photo, time lapse, and video. So make sure you set up your stuff ahead of time, and then you'll be good to go. So I grabbed an old filter from an old case from the GoPro 7 and wanted to see if it would fit, and it does not fit. It's not big enough. So that's kind of a bummer. So looking like I'll need to purchase separate filters for diving if you want to do that. So of course GoPro sells diving filters, and I'll show you that and the cost. Take this door off. Let's put the skeleton on. Take the tape off. And just see the back. You can kind of see the grooves back there where it lines up. A little pressure, and we're on. So most folks will use it like this most of the time for their GoPro protection, and then you have access to the screen and better audio. So the part you want to hear now is probably what it sounds like with the audio, with no case, with the skeleton case, and with the back here. I can tell you right now it's going to be good, fair, poor, but let's go ahead and take a listen. All right, skeleton case on. Talking from the back side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Skeleton case talking from the front side. Hello. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'll move the case around. I'll be quiet. Alright, full case on, what I call the scuba setup, talking from the rear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Scuba case, talking from the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now change hands. Okay, now we have no case on, still on the shorty stick, talking from the rear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, a lot of wind, and talking from the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. How does this sound? And the wind coming. All right, moving back and forth, changing hands. A lot of wind now. Alright, if you can hear me, I wanted to end this video this way. We're getting a lot of wind today. Probably 25, 30 mile an hour winds out here on the back deck. We just had to rescue the umbrella from being tilted over. Look at all this stuff on the ring. So I have the skeleton case on right now. Not sure how that's going to sound, but after listening to all three, it is kind of what I predicted when it comes to sound wise. Now, wow, it's a lot of wind. I also wanted to let you see the clarity of it with the case on, if it changes the look at all of the picture. But with the case on, like it's like the scuba setup, it is what you think it is. It's something you wouldn't do walk around with. This is probably the option that you would use with the skeleton case door on right now. Better sound, but not the best sound. The best sound is with the case off completely. And the number one thing for me is that with that case on and you move your hands and you change from one hand to the other, that sound runs up that whatever tripod you have on into that case and makes that awful ruffling and moving around sound. And if you don't have that case on, obviously completely different. Where all I heard was the wind. I never heard myself really change, move my hands around. But if you're going to vlog with it like this, you gotta take that case off. If you're going around and you're talking about what you're seeing, you want to hear the sounds around you, you gotta take the case off and go with that way. That's my opinion. Hope you liked the video. Maybe it helps you on your buying decision. Maybe it's better with the wind with this case on. I don't know. I'm about to go hear it inside. Whoever comes out, I'm putting it out there, so I'm not going to change it up. Like, subscribe down below. Really helps out the channel. Appreciate it. We'll come back again for another one. See ya. All right, how's this sound? Any better? All right, the wind's dying down a little bit, but it's still there. But we're on the Max right now in hero mode. Just to give an example. No case. All right, so I had to give the GoPro without the case a shot because that wasn't fair. All right, so we have the GoPro without the case now. Still windy. Still think the GoPro 8 looks better. It's a little bit brighter up in here. Okay, that was exciting. Now I'm leaving you. I'm serious this time. I'm not coming back.